Hello, I am Mr. Wong from the after-sales service of DNE Laser. Let me explain to you precautions for the use of laser cutting machine equipment in winter. 1. Keep the water in the chiller in circulation when the ambient temperature is above -5 degrees centigrade. The chiller maintains normal operation. The chiller can be left open at night to keep the water circuit in circulation to ensure that the cooling water does not fall below the freezing point. When the ambient temperature is below -5 degrees centigrade, the flowing water may also freeze, which may cause equipment damage. 2 precautions for the use of antifreeze. 1. If there are frequent power outages or power restrictions in the local area, the water circulation cannot be maintained. Then we can add antifreeze to solve the problem. 2. The production formulas of antifreeze of different brands and models will be different. A mixed use is prohibited. 3. When adding antifreeze, it is also necessary to see whether the antifreeze is compatible with the cutting equipment. Any antifreeze cannot replace pure water or deionized water and cannot be used for a long time after winter. The entire circulation pipeline must be cleaned with pure water or deionized water. And deionized water or pure water must be used as a coolant.
4. Please drain the water with the entire circulating water circuit after using antifreeze, such as during holidays or long periods of downtime. In order to ensure the stable operation of the laser equipment in winter, please be sure to do a good job of antifreeze maintenance for the equipment. If you have any questions, please call the after-sales service hotline +86 400 1605 or contact the local service engineer.
Well, that's all for today's video. See you next time.
拜拜。